Hello, I'm Mickey. Welcome to my first vlog. Woohoo! It's exciting. It is happening. Right now it's I think 12:30, so it's not the morning anymore, but I have actually something to do today. It's exciting. I already did grocery shopping, so that's done. Check. But now we got some snow. We got some real snow, like it's staying on the ground. Usually here in Germany, every now and then we get maybe a bit snow, or it's snowing sometimes, but it's never staying. So it's just muddy, disgusting something on the ground, not even like real snow. So it's exciting. Since this is also like happening, I have to clean our car, like get the snow off it and the ice if something's there. So it's not just a whole ice cube when we want to use it again. And that's what I'm going to do today. I will take you with me, but with my GoPro. So I'm sorry for the fisheye view thing. It's the only thing I can take out right now because I don't have a vlogging camera. So we have to deal with this. And yeah, anyways, let's do this. Let's clean the car, and it's gonna be very, very cold. Look at all this. Is that even our car? I have no clue. But this is so full of snow. It is our car. Jesus. We couldn't even leave if we wanted to. So much. This is my hand. It's taller than my hand. Oh my god. It's frozen. It's just a bit frozen, but it's alright. Mostly just snow. This is so much fun. Look at this. It just falls apart. Look at this. You can't even see the wheel. The wheel. It's just so much. People are going sliding. This is so cool. Never-ending story here. Just... This is insane. Oh look, it's a car! Alright. Like, for what? For what am I doing this year? Just snowing all over again. I can see another layer already. Never ending story. Oh my god, we did it! I think. It's frozen. Can I lift it? Oh, I really don't want to. Like nothing happened. I could do this all day. So annoying. I have to stop at some point. Like, we couldn't even leave. There's so much. Covered. But you know what? It's a car. It's free. And I think that's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to open. I'm scared it's frozen. But that's enough. I'm gonna go inside again because it's cold. But look. I love snow. Alright, back inside. I have another amazing thing to do today, which is I was at my sister's yesterday and she has a puzzle and I was just puzzling a little bit and quite enjoyed it, and I haven't done it in a while, so she had one left over and gave me the other one. So I started puzzling yesterday. I almost have the edges and we're gonna do this. It's exciting. I call it, what should we call it? Let me call it puzzling time with Mickey. No, it's the where we puzzle, yay. Alright, anyways, let's puzzle. I'm already, yeah, it's gonna be cool. Let the games begin. I made myself some tiny bread. Sorry. Okay, I believe I'm missing a few edge pieces whatsoever, because it just doesn't make sense. Nothing fits. But look at this, I got like these corners connected already. This is almost finished and it's dirty. Yeah, I think I have to find some edge pieces here, otherwise I think I'm lost. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know how this should fit. I'm just confused. And then I just believe it's rigged, but it's probably not. See, nothing fits here. Oh, see, oh my, oh, yes. Oh, we're getting there. For the edges, it's a lot more to go. I think it's also like, I haven't shown it. It's 1,500. There must be some pieces left here. You cannot even see me. That's good. I thought I'm gonna be okay. Damn it. I was cut off the whole time. You don't have to see everything here, do you? I moved it. That's better. There we go. But do you want to see the puzzle actually? Hi. Alright, we're gonna keep it like this first. Maybe I change it later. I'm watching Fate, by the way. Have you guys seen it already? I think I really like it. Does it fit? It does. Look. Does it fit here? Of course not. Perfect. I just want this to fit here, but it doesn't. Why? Yeah. I'm getting, oh my. Calm yourself. You know, this is the part where I believe something's missing. It just, there's no piece here. Oh, wait a second. It was here. It just was here the whole time. I want to change this. I just spilled my tea. Look at this. Why? Over my notebook and some electronic. Oh, I suck at this. Just can't happen to me. Oh, god damn it. Look at it. Look at it. I mean, this is not so important, but... So annoying. Oh my god. Now I can make a new tea. This sucks. You know, just casually drying paper on the heater. It's just, that's just what I do, you know? I'll be right back with a new cup of tea. I got a new tea. Let's continue puzzling. And I could manage to do this here. It's awesome little row. No clue where this is supposed to be. Maybe over here. Oh, it's actually right. I think I did something wrong on the other side because this can't be right. I did something wrong. There's nothing blue on the right side. I'm so confused, but I figured it out. I figured it. Oh my god, it fits. I got it. Alright, little update. I found every single edge piece. We got it. We got the frame. And I made some tiny like groups with colors to start the middle part, like the whole picture, you know? So yeah, I just thought it's boring if you just see me looking for all the pieces. I think it's getting more exciting the next days, and I'm gonna update you on this journey with the puzzle. We're gonna do this together. We're in this together now, so we're gonna finish it together. So yeah, the next time we will be in a different somewhere where I have more light. Yeah, okay. That's that. That's with the puzzle part for today. I think we were productive. I want to do some sport later, I think. That's what the plan is. So, see you later. So, I think with the workout, it's gonna be a bit difficult. Well, I don't really think I'm gonna do some workout today. I am going to start editing a video right now because I've been lazy, and now I think I have to do this. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a workout. Maybe I can force myself later. That's what I said earlier, but never mind. Yeah, I just probably just start editing this, and this is gonna be out on Thursday, hopefully. I plan on uploading every Thursday, but right now I upload it every second Thursday, but I want to upload every week actually, so I'm working on that. That's why I'm editing now, and this one will be up maybe on Sunday, or maybe I switch it. I might probably switch it. This one will be up on Thursday, and the one I'm editing now gonna be up on Sunday, I think, or something like this. We'll see. I don't know yet, but this is the plan, if it's a plan. So just want to update you guys. I just finished Fate. Love it. Go watch it. Fate is amazing. And now I'm editing, and I think that's basically it for now. I decided to work out. Yes. I didn't do much earlier editing. I just rewatched the footage, and that's it. So tomorrow's the day I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna work out now. Alright, I finished my workout, I showered and already had dinner. So that was a good day. I'm glad I did the workout, which means I'm gonna end this vlog today here. And I really hope you enjoyed it. It was not much, but actually a quite full day, full lockdown for me. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, so you can follow the puzzle journey. And I'm gonna find a word for it. But anyways, hope you like it. So we can see each other in my next video. Bye!